Hi, I'm Chris.
And I'm Zoe.
Welcome to the Duo Kitchen.
It's lunchtime, so I'm gonna heat up this choyo pollo that we made last night. We filmed this recipe. Hopefully it will coming out soon. And we're gonna just put in a plate and heat it up, and that's our lunch. A lot of time we like to make a big portion so then the kids can take it to school, and then we can just heat it up and call it a day. So normally I don't really eat breakfast. I only drink some latte. I make my own latte at home, and sometimes I do some latte art. Sometimes I just don't feel like doing it. In the morning when I drop off the kids, I always have like a warmer, so I can't really do any art on that one because the kids just got back to school now.
ASMR my morning coffee routine.
Hey Mama. You smell food? I know, I can smell food too. Hi. Say hello.
Any kisses?
Oh, I got rejected. One more kisses. Oh, thank you, baby. There. Let's eat. I always feel like our portion is so large, but hey, it's lunchtime, so it's okay. A bite of chicken, some mushrooms, some cheese, and some rice. Okay, so we have a questions. You want to see how I hold my knife like this and my knife fork like this? This guy hold like this. How you cut it?
If I cut that, flip over.
But why is your fork is this side?
That's my right hand.
Huh. Interesting. I cut it like this. Well, actually, sometimes I do this, like a pencil. And then I eat like this.
Mine's normal. Yours is weird.
What do you mean?
You're not supposed to write on your food. You're supposed to eat it. I hold like a pencil.
But it's easy to cut, look. You can use the whole force down. Instead of like this one, I always like my fingers like this. Because I try to push it down and then my finger jam.
This feels like you're trying to murder someone.
Okay, you try it. Try cut it my way.
I don't even know how you hold it.
Yeah.
I don't hold the pencil with my left hand, so I don't know.
Try my side then. Opposite.
That's worse. Now I can't eat at all. Now I don't have a fork or a knife.
Excuse me. You just stab it down. You just literally like press it down. Like, you still have to like
I tried.
go
It doesn't
through.
work.
No. Hey, who with me? Comment down below. Anyone? Anyone? Eat like this? I know I'm not alone, babe. Someone out there ate like me. She always, well, is she either barking or she just sitting underneath our chair or underneath the table, ready to pick up any food that's gonna fall over or down. So tonight dinner, I made air fryer chicken drumstick and then making some salad, and then the kids actually eating quesadilla with the same chicken. I'm gonna set up the chicken and add some cheese, put them together. And that's it. Salad is done with chicken. So juicy. Somehow she thinks that she needs a plate as well. It's my favorite chia seed almond slices and pistachio. This is the ice cream.